Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, she said, Barira came to me and said, I have made an agreement with my masters to purchase my freedom for 9 uqiyah by paying 1 uqiyah annually. So you may help me. She said, if they agree, I will make spot lump sum payment for your price on this condition that I shall have the right to inherit from you. Thus Barira went to her masters and told them the condition, but they did not agree. So she came back from them, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also sitting there. She submitted, I intimated them your offer, but they did not agree until they are invested with the right to inherit. As the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard this case, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha told him the complete story. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you should purchase Barira and let the condition of having the right to inherit for them, because whosoever manumits enjoys the right to inherit. So Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha did accordingly. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up among the people, and after extolling and glorifying Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what is the matter with the people that they make such conditions regarding the legacy of a freed slave as are not in the book of Allah? The condition which is not in the book of Allah is wide, even there are 100 conditions. And Allah's decision is the truest, and Allah's condition is the firmest. So the legacy of freed slave will go to him who sets him free. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2729.